They call me the hog killer around here. I'll shoot any crippled animal that walks out. Believe that.
He's laying down.
You ready?
He's laying down.
You ready?
Yeah, do it.
Hey, how you doing? We're gonna go ahead and walk up on this boar hog we just shot. Looks like he went down about 100 yards away. We're gonna go see what we got. Let's go.
Hi.
Here we got the hog named Hopalong. He's gonna make some good sausage. I put a few rounds in him just to make sure he was down, you know. Big old bull hog. But you see, this is why we call him Hopalong. He's got this little gimp shoulder here. He was a good pig.
Sponsor.
Yeah, I'd like to thank some of our sponsors while we're out here. First of all, McDonald's hamburgers. They got this new buffalo chicken sandwich. It's delicious, and it fills you up good. And that's what I eat when I'm out here hunting. I like to eat McDonald's buffalo chicken sandwich. It's spicy. It's got buffalo sauce on it. You can see. They put mayonnaise on it, lettuce, and it's delicious. And you know, I like to take time to thank my friend Justin here. He put me on this hog. Oh, damn, that's a good sandwich. Sorry. You know, right here in East Texas, and when you come to the deer lease, you load up on delicious McDonald's sandwiches. And I fill my pockets. I'm not gonna lie. I put them in my pockets, and I carry them around the whole weekend. So when I get the hankering for a sandwich, I pull one out and I just get to eating. And so, thank you, McDonald's. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Jesus Christ. And we're gonna go ahead and get this pig loaded up. See y'all on the flip side.